What's happening, everybody? So I know lately I've been doing a lot of different styles of videos creatively. I've just been kind of expanding just different ways of telling our story here at Titan Tiny Homes. And you know, I would really appreciate it at the end of this video if you could drop a comment below, even a link, like what videos you liked, what you didn't like, what you want to see more of. I would really appreciate that. But anyways, today it's all about the shop. All right, it's been a really crazy day here. Stuff's flying all over the place. The shop's super busy. Units got to go out the door. I mean, it's been a hell of a week. And so we got a little bit to wrap up, and then this thing's going out the door. So we've been working all day to get this guy out the door. So right now we are buttoning things up. We got a lot of inspections and things to finalize on the unit, and then it is out the door. Just in case you might be wondering or saying to yourself, hey, I want to see inside pictures. They're coming. Right now, everybody's running around here like crazy, so the last thing I want to do is cram a camera inside. So the second that it's ready to move, those pictures, in fact, they're happening right now. Hopefully you enjoyed the video today. Tomorrow, the official walkthrough.